Welcome to Online English class. This is Ventures Level 2. This is Lesson 13, which starts on May 18th. And this is Part 2. In Part 2, we're going to learn Unit 9, Lesson A, and we're going to practice past tense. You are probably watching this video between May 18th and June 2nd. This video was filmed on May 15th, 2020. Okay, so now we start Unit 9, Daily Living. Unit 9 is in your student book, page 110, page 110. So in Unit 9, here are the goals for the unit. We have to identify or understand common household problems. So we need to understand and solve. Solve, another word for solve is fix. Identify means understand. Find and understand. Identify means find and understand. Solve means fix. So we need to find, understand, and fix common household problems. Household are things in the house. Household means things in the house. So we need to understand and fix common problems in the house. We need to write a complaint email about household problems. A complaint email means a complaint is we say, this is broken, or this is wrong. A complaint is we say, hey, this is broken or it's wrong. You need to fix this. So we need to write an email to someone saying, this is broken. I need you to fix this for me. That's what a complaint email is. And we need to interpret information on a customer invoice. Interpret means understand. We need to understand information from a customer invoice. An invoice is a receipt. So when you go to the store, you go shopping, you get a receipt. When you ask someone to fix something broken, like a car, you get an invoice, a receipt. So these are the goals for the unit. We need to understand and fix common problems in the house. We need to write complaint emails. And we need to understand how to read the receipt for when somebody fixes it. All right, so let's look at the vocabulary words here. We have a dishwasher, a leak, a light bulb, a lock, a dryer, garbage, a sink, and a washing machine. Okay, so let's start off with some of these words. Some of these things are appliances. And oops, you can't say that. Appliance. An appliance is a machine in the house. An appliance is a machine in the house. So a dishwasher, a dryer, and a washing machine, all of these are machines in the house. Other machines in the house are a fridge, a refrigerator, a stove. You can see a stove here in the very corner. This is where you cook food. A stove and an oven, these are machines in the house, so we call them appliances. Okay, so let's identify all of these items. Dishwasher. This is a dishwasher. What's wrong with the dishwasher? There seems to be water coming out of the dishwasher. When we have water that comes out of something, we call it a leak. A leak is when water comes out of something it should not. So the dishwasher has a leak. There's water coming out. Oh, that's the next word, a leak. So a leak is when water comes out, and it's not supposed to. A light bulb. This is a light bulb here. Lock, a lock. So on the door, there is a lock here. A dryer. The dryer is the machine that dries your clothes. I think it's this one. Garbage. Garbage is another word for trash. A sink. Oh, here's the sink. And a washing machine. This is the washing machine. What's wrong with the washing machine? It looks like maybe someone put too much soap in the washing machine, so all of the soap comes out now. Okay, so now we're going to learn some vocabulary words for when things don't work anymore. So the first one is the first word is broken. Broken is an adjective. It means it describes something. So broken means something does not work. Something is broken means something does not work. So we can say the TV is broken. The TV is broken. It won't turn on. Won't. Won't is when we put the words will not together. It will not turn on. It won't turn on. The TV is broken. Broken means something is not working anymore. Okay? Or broken can also mean it breaks. So here is a very nice vase. This is a vase. You can put flowers in it. Okay? So it's a vase. It holds flowers, it holds water, it's something, it's a vase. Well, this is a baseball. It's a baseball here. The baseball is going straight through the vase. So what happens? The baseball breaks. I need a new marker. The vase. The baseball breaks the vase. The vase is broken. So this is the vase when it's normal, and this is the vase when it's broken. So broken means something does not work, but broken also means something breaks. So the vase is broken. The baseball breaks the vase. So now the vase is broken. So broken has two meanings. The first meaning is something does not work, like a TV. It just won't turn on. The other meaning for the word broken is when something breaks, like this vase. We can also say the TV is broken. The TV is broken because the TV was on the wall, but it fell off the wall. So now it's broken into two pieces. It's like the vase. It broke into a lot of small pieces. The TV was on the wall, but it fell down onto the ground and broke into two pieces. The TV is broken. In this example, the TV is broken because it won't turn on. There's just a small problem. It's just not working. Here, the TV goes, it's broken. So these are the two ways we can use the word broken. All right, so I also need to teach you present and past tense. So in the present tense for verbs, we have the word break. Break is a verb. In the past tense of break is broke. Break and broke. So now is a good time to look at your list of irregular verbs. The word break is on the list. It's right here. Break, broke. So these are for verbs only. So we're talking about the baseball. The baseball breaks the vase. If we say this in past tense, then we say the baseball broke the vase. The baseball broke the vase. Broken is an adjective. So we say it is broken. These are verbs, these are actions. The baseball breaks the vase. The baseball broke the vase. Up next, we have the word leak. A leak is when water comes out of something. It should not. So here's a bucket or an air conditioner, and there's water. It's coming out in a little bit at a time. It's called a leak. A leak is a noun. It's an object, a thing. It's a thing. A leak is where the water comes out. So we can say the water leaks out. The water leaks out. So in your book, we have the water leaks out of the dishwasher. A leak is a thing. It's where the water comes out. This type of leak is a verb. It's an action. The water is leaking out. The water leaks out, the water is leaking out. Same thing. It means right now, the water is coming out of the dishwasher. If we want to talk about the past, maybe this happened last night when everyone was sleeping, so nobody saw. Then we say, the water leaked out. The word leak is a regular verb, and we write ed at the end. The water leaked out last night. Oops. The water leaked out last night. Burn out. Okay, when we talk about light bulbs, there's two ways we can talk about light bulbs. We can say the light bulb breaks or the light bulb burns out. That means it's not working anymore. There's no more light coming from it. The past tense of burn out is burned out, or the light bulb broke. The light bulb burned out last night. The light bulb broke last night. Same thing. Unless the baseball hits the light, then we say the baseball broke the light. The baseball broke the light. Now the light bulb looks like this. Okay, so these are the verbs we can use to talk about things that are broken. Okay, so here is a table of all of the problems that can happen in your house. We have nouns. Nouns are things. They're objects. So, when you have a noun, before you write a noun, you usually say the word a break, a leak, a spill, a clog. Up next, we have verbs in the present. This means it's happening right now. And then we have verbs in the past. These are the past tense words for things that happened already. And then we have adjectives. These describe objects. So up first, we have a break. So a break is this. This is a break. This is the TV. There's a break in the TV. Or this is a break in the vase. It's a noun. We can also use a break if we talk about resting. So, in a normal class, we say, let's take a break. It means we can stop. But this type of break means it's broken. We say, there's a break on the TV. So, in present tense, we say break or breaks if we talk about it. It breaks. In the past, we say broke. It broke. And then the adjective is broken. We say it is broken. Up next, we have a leak. A leak is a thing. So, this here is a leak. There's a leak of water. All this water is out. So, there's a leak. We can also use a leak as a verb. We can say, the water is leaking. The water is leaking out. Or we can say, the water leaks out. In the past tense, we say, the water leaked out last night. The water leaked out last night. Or, the water was leaking last night. And then we have burn out. We only use burn out for light bulbs. We say the light bulb burns out. The light bulb burns out. Or the light bulb burned out last night. A spill. A spill is when you spill water. So I have a cup here, and I go, uh-oh, and then all the water goes out onto the table. I spill the water. There's a spill. So, a spill is when I have a cup and I pour water everywhere. There's water everywhere. It's a spill. The verb is spill. Who spills the water? I spill the water. I spill the water on the table. The past tense is spilled. I spilled the water everywhere yesterday. A clog. A clog is when the water stops working. So let's say this is a pipe. This is a pipe of water. So the water goes this way. Usually the water goes this way. But a clog is when there's something is stuck here. So the water stops flowing. The water stops moving. The water cannot go because this is a clog. It stops the water. It's a thing. We call it a clog. It's a verb. So we can say the leaves clog the river. The leaves clog the river. So in the fall, there's a lot of leaves. And sometimes they can stop the water from moving in the river. The leaves clog the river. The past tense of the word clog is clogged. So the leaves clogged the river last year. Oh, and this should be clogged. The adjective. So we can say the river is clogged. The sink is clogged. The toilet is clogged. So all of these words describe problems with things in the house. We have nouns, verbs in the present, verbs in the past, and adjectives. There's only two adjectives, broken and clogged.